Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook if it's not showing new posts. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, open up the Facebook app and just swipe down, okay? Swipe down and wait for it to refresh. And after that, your post will be available. And the second option is by going to the three horizontal lines. It could be at the bottom right or at the top right. So just tap on it. Now tap on feeds, okay? Tap on feeds, and once done, you'll be seeing all the available posts or newer posts from all or your favorites, your friends, groups, and pages. Okay? Now, if you can't see newer feeds or new posts, you can just go ahead and close out Facebook. Now, find a Play Store or App Store and just make sure that the app is fully updated. Okay? Look for Facebook, and if there is an available update button, just tap on update, wait for the process to finish, and once done, you should be good to go. Now, if updating doesn't work, well, go to find the app icon, okay? Tap and hold onto it. Now, tap on the information icon. By the way, this is just for Android users, okay? Now, go ahead and go to storage. Tap on clear cache first, okay? And once that's done, reopen Facebook. Log in. If it asks you to log in, it should be good to go. If you're using iOS, go to settings and find the Facebook app and just tap on the offload option, okay? Offload data or offload storage. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.